Hey, in front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now click on Display section over here, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always access this feature much quicker by going into Tab menu instead and tapping on Auto Rotate shortcut. As you can see, mine is now on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!